How to use Finviz for options. Looking to trade options but need help finding the right stocks? Finviz is a great tool to identify high volatility, high volume stocks, perfect for option strategies. Start by going to finviz.com and clicking the Screener tab. This is where you'll filter for potential option plays. In the Descriptive tab, set Option Short to Optionable. This ensures you're only looking at stocks that support options trading. Next, go to the Technical tab. Set ATR, Average True Range, to high or choose volatility as over 4% to find stocks with big price swings, great for strategies like straddles or directional calls and puts. Want liquidity? Set average volume to over 1 million in the Descriptive tab so you're not stuck in illiquid trades. Finally, click Charts and visually scan for patterns like breakouts, gaps, or trend reversals. Ideal triggers for options entry. Finviz helps you find the right stock so you can focus on the right option strategy. Thanks for watching.